Okay guys, Mr. Munson here. I am your VTVLC instructor for social media. Now bear in mind that this is actually a course that has been created and is maintained by Florida Virtual. That makes, the state of Florida makes an awful lot of online content for their students as well as students across the country. And it's a course that we picked up at VTVLC because we think it's, of value to our students. And I've taught this now, I think it's the third time I've taught it. So I am the one that will be grading your work and helping you when you get into trouble. All right, so just a couple of quick things to clarify. Probably the two main things are that you should know you will be using social media in this course for a cause of your choosing. We've had students do projects for homelessness, food drives, a lot of animal shelter kind of things, public service announcements, cyberbullying, and on. So you are going to have to think of some cause that is, important to you, and then use social media to, affect change in that area, to get information out, to get, some results, as you'll see. So that's the big thing. Another thing is that you will be creating a social media infographic. You won't be, it's a little bit confusing sometimes in the course. You'll be creating, parts of it and then adding to it through the semester. So you won't be submitting, new ones each time. You'll just take your same infographic and you'll be adding more content to it. So at the end of the semester, it's a fairly well-developed infographic. And I think we found that probably the best way to do that is for you to do it in Google Docs, assuming that you have access to that, and then sharing it with me. There are other ways we can do this too, so that you can publish an infographic, but that's probably the best way. So we'll figure that one out together, okay? So there'll be a welcome call at the beginning, and then a exit interview kind of call at the end. So just 2 phone calls we're going to have to make through this semester. Make sure you do these because they're worth a lot of points, and also because they're important in terms of it's our only really direct back and forth kind of communication in this class, where we can quickly respond to each other. So it is important. All right, you'll see my phone number and my email. Email is the single best way to get a hold of me. I typically get back within the same day that I get any emails to you. So we'll hope for that. And I'm going to wish you the best of luck. Check out the video that's below this one on the, on the page that you found this one. And it'll tell you more about the specifics of the course. All right, so be in touch if I can help you in any way, and good luck. Bye-bye.